Hi, my name is Leon Juffermans. Welcome at the Melbourne Home Show. Today we are here with GlamXperience, brought with us a tiny or big safari tent and extendable container. But I just want to show you an extra feature, and that's here the Dutchtub. And as you might hear from my accent, I'm from the Netherlands. Arrived here 2 years ago and we import these from the Netherlands. They're made over there. It's very high quality material, stainless steel. Very strong bath, tested all over the world, but the best thing about it is you don't need any gas, just wood. So it's a wood-fired hot tub. You put the fire in here, the coil heats up, you connect it to water, just some water hose. The water goes through it, comes out on top, and when the bath is full, just leave the fire on and the water will circulate automatically, just physics. So no pumps, no electricity, nothing. So it's a very cool, very smart design. You see here the pan, we use it to control the fire a little bit. You can cook on it, so yeah, do some multitasking, and it's extremely popular. It's a feature, but it's perfect for the whole glamping experience. So unwind and just enjoy, and fire, water, what else do you want?